What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Motorola Tab G20. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 8-inch IPS display with TDDI and it has HD+ resolution. It comes with 85% screen to body ratio and has 16:10 aspect ratio. For performance, it comes with Helio P22T processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It has 3GB LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB storage with option to expand it with microSD card. Powering all this is 5100 mAh battery and it comes with 10 watts charger. It comes with single speaker at the top and supports Dolby Atmos. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side and battery is at 57%. There's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 28 to 29 degrees. In the middle it is 28 degrees. On the bottom it is 29 degrees. On the back, overall it is 29 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now these are the graphic settings. Balanced graphics and medium frame rate are the highest setting available. So I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are nice, the details are decent. Huge display definitely helps in the game and it gives an immersive experience. Controlling is also smooth and I couldn't notice any lag. Even though the speaker is on one side, it sounds pretty good. It's been 18 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 33 to 35 degrees. In the middle it is 32 degrees. On the bottom it is 31 to 32 degrees. On the back it is 33 to 34 degrees. In the middle it is 32 to 33 degrees. And at the bottom it is 32 to 33 degrees. It's been a total of 18 minutes and battery came down to 53%. And it's not hot at all. Not even warm. Just near the camera area you could feel slight difference, but not warm at all. So for approximately 18 minutes of gameplay, tablet consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 32 to 33 degrees. In the middle it is 31 to 32 degrees. At the bottom it is 32 degrees. On the back it is 33 degrees. In the middle it is 32 degrees. And at the bottom it is 33 degrees. Except the top area near rear camera, everywhere else is cool. And even in this area it is just normal temperature. There is no warmth or heat. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 288 pictures in those 3 minutes, which is nice. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Motorola Tab G20. What do you think about this tablet? Will you buy it? If you buy this tablet and you want to game casually, you can definitely do that. You can't expect high performance, but generally there was no lag and the heat management was also good. So it is good for casual gaming. What do you think about this tablet? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.